How to fix Telegram updating problem. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, keep holding the Telegram icon and tap on App Info. Now click on Force Stop, tap on Storage Usage and tap on Clear Cache. Now go back, open up Play Store, tap on the profile icon. Now click on Settings. Now click on About, scroll down and tap on Update Play Store. If your phone don't have enough storage, try cleaning up the storage of your device. After cleaning up, restart your device and open up Play Store again. Now search for Telegram. Now try updating once again. If it still doesn't fix the issue, tap on uninstall and then reinstall this application. So that's it. I hope this would fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.